Hi, I'm Brian Hazelgren. I want to chat with you about remote patient monitoring and why it is so important to understand that there are codes that are available for the physician to be able to provide improved patient care and also generate additional reimbursements or income to the practice. We have that available today through a device that monitors all types of vital signs. The reason why we want to have this made available to you is literally to help you improve your patient care, but also help you as an independent physician to drive income to your practice. Now, take it a step further. If you're a business owner and you have employees and you'd like to help them literally find that better level of health and well-being, we've got a solution for you. So I'd like you to try out our offer. Check out this wearable device, see how important it is, see all of the great data that it actually accumulates, and you can actually analyze that data and come up with something amazing for your patients if you're a physician, your employees or if you're a business owner. So I hope you enjoy this particular product. It's amazing technology, and if you think about the practice of the future, if you're a physician, this is the type of technology that you're going to want to have. Again, I'm Brian Hazelgren. I hope you take advantage of this technology and enjoy it because it'll save lives.